more burgers?
Yeah, I need one more.
Alright. A burger become pro now.
Thanks, Jess.
Yep. A little chef's
Full
hat.
color still? Yeah. I'll just
Alright, good job. Nice. Can we just make burgers on this?
I know, right?
On that thing?
On the stove?
No, pretty sure it doesn't work.
Uh-huh. Alright.
We need to save gas, you know?
Good fair.
Am I still wearing my...
Put this back on the shelf while it's still hot. Can't waste.
What are you doing with your cassette? Get it inside.
Whoa, where'd you get that cool helmet?
It was,
There was a place where there were helmets.
Let's position ourselves here.
Missed out.
Okay, you're cranking it up?
Tell me when I'm fully on.
Whoa.
Crazy.
Whoa. What's happening?
It's going
Oh,
crazy.
God.
It's going crazy.
What? How is this happening?
Ah, we're dying.
Oh.
It's over. It's just.
What happened?
This is what I would call not good.
Alright. Winch?
That... I need to get the controller. Wait.
Oh shit, okay. Going in.
I got a controller.
You got it?
I winched it.
Yeah, it's the rear one or the front one.
It's the rear.
Alright.
Winch
The
it
cassette
in.
is floating.
I'm winching.
Okay. Can I drive it from down here? I'll try to come down to it.
I think if you turn it on,
I
the
can.
engine takes damage.
Okay, toggle engine. Clutch.
We could just restart from the checkpoint, boys.
See? No, I can reverse it out of the water. I've got this.
Okay.
Here we go.
The engine's out, so at least it's not taking damage anymore.
No, I got it on
Oh,
now.
whoa.
Oops.
What the hell?
I don't know.